Area I truly salute and I don't welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Liverpool won and Manchester City 0. And we get our guy Samuel we talk say in new name now Samuel Salah.
Samuel Salah.
Samuel Salah. Now how you see Liverpool performance for this match?
The game too sweet me.
Sweet
Butterflies in my belly, guy. The match too sweet. Liverpool beats my expectation. I dey call you say I won't lose. We go lose before. I know we wear jersey, you understand? But I just wear to get red. If you don't make me wear jersey, I just wear small red and black, you understand? So in case they win us, I'm gonna come out of your eye to say come on. But the game, I was impressed. I was impressed from the start to the end. Defense coordinates. Van Dijk no turn yash today. Gomez no shake today, you understand? And Thiago say I no start. Thiago say I no start. If not, we for collect. But the game matured. Everybody who watch this match, they say this match matured, a matured match, you understand? The both sides played really well. They show say they be good side, you understand? But no, the game too sweet. The game too sweet. The tactics worked today. Then assuming Salah was not selfish, should have had more goals. Then Nunes too. Nunes got selfish one or two times. But you understand? But this game, Liverpool had clearer chances than Man City, obviously. And we played better. You understand? We played better. And that good play now even like pass. Liverpool feel loser, but when we play well. But today we played well and we won the game. And I'm really, really happy with Liverpool. Forget the record they give Klopp, you know me. I'm really, really happy with Liverpool. So if we continue like this, guy, go make top four. If not top four, then we enter second self. But Arsenal, now the deal. We don't try for now. Carry out the goal. Don't go lose guard. I know you're not. I don't tell you now.
But you talk about the performance sweet you. Your Benet sweet you well right now. But for this Liverpool team, now when I say all Liverpool players, they turn up today. They show working. You understand? They don't just they play. They don't just be like they collect their salary every week. They work their salary for this match. But which player now you think say be your own man of the match?
But everybody play ball.
But
Elliot,
one player.
I mean, Elliot play ball. Gomez play ball. Okay, I'll give Gomez. Based on say, I don't expect Gomez to stand up today. You understand? I like those see ball play. Only say if he guide, but you know see ball play. Gomez just chance Alan out. You understand? But for me, I'll give Gomez based on say beat my expectation. But normally Salah is the man of the match because all the runs, he made good runs, good cuttings. You understand? But just that selfishness once in a while, that be the problem. But Gomez really stepped up today. Then Van Dijk and the rest, they were on point today. You understand? Right. The whole team was on point today.
Last week, Liverpool lose. Your body not sweet you. But this week, what do you think say Liverpool did differently from last weekend match and this weekend match where they win against Man City? Where be like say many people they talk saying them be the best team for the league. What do you think say Liverpool do differently?
So far so good. We still maintain the same. We changed the formation back to 4-3-3. And let us see the midfield work well today. You understand? Elliot was making the runs, all those small in between runs. Yes, and Fabio and Thiago were doing the marking. You understand? Then the defense line coordinates today. We not to keep high line. If you observe ourselves, not much offside. So we not to keep on high line. Based on say they know the striker where Man City get. And they were able to contain Man City. Now the only problem I see say Man City get is they just look for Alan. You understand? And Alan against Van Dijk, you know go show. Several times you don't try and you know show, you understand? Van Dijk now to contain Alan. So today so far, what Liverpool played differently from last week was that everybody was working, everybody worked. You understand? As of last week, I think last when we played our match where Arnold they misbehave. You understand? So when Arnold they misbehave, he lose that too much. But this week now, Gomez, I was surprised too. Mina, old man, I'd say 40 go use that to do kitty. But Mina played well. So the only difference is say the entire team work. You understand? And that's why it's called a team. So the teamwork gave us the winning. That's just it.
All right, now I got Samuel. Before I go let you go now, some people that they talk say the way Liverpool they play this season, say Liverpool not go even smell top four, say top four go hard for them. So, but with this performance now against the best team for the league, the defending champions, Manchester City, you think say Liverpool go fit make top four with what you see against Manchester City just few minutes ago?
You know say football, you know they judge football based on one match. You understand? See if they perform badly, but just come one strong match like this, just perform like say they be stars. You understand? Normally Liverpool are start team, but today performance that Liverpool we know. The performance that Liverpool put today, na Liverpool we know. But I know say the problem never see settled yet. Today na just based on na rivalry. You understand? They don't want lose guard give their number one rival for the Premier League currently now. You understand? So that made they all bring out their A game. But if they can continue like this, if Liverpool continue like this, everybody work hard. In fact, I would prefer they will start the same first team will start today or our next match. Everybody work hard. Liverpool will do better and make it up for not be big deal. As we will take there, Man City, Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham, all those ones they will still lose guard later. You understand? You just win your match. No reason other persons. If Liverpool can continue like this with this today's performance, you understand? They better the top four. Top four not be issue. Like we watched Liverpool match against Rangers, the second half, we played extremely well. And on that leg now I see for this match. So everybody work hard. The creativity was there. Liverpool had more chances than Man City. Sure, we had more chances than Man City, more clear chances than Man City, but we're a little bit wasteful. You understand? But if we continue like this from this kind of form of today, and let's say from that Rangers form come, you understand? We'll make the top four. You understand? Just win your match. Leave other people. Just win your match.
All right, now one last question for you, Oga Samuel, before I let you go now. You now passionate football fan, passionate Liverpool fan. Just tell us one reason why you support Liverpool.
Why is that support Liverpool? But Liverpool, the love in Liverpool is real. Like if you notice Liverpool, we know they carry sack coach. We know they carry the pursue players. You understand? All our legends, all our ex-players, they confirm say Liverpool, the love in Liverpool is real. You understand? I don't know if you get me. Now Liverpool, with the say Liverpool, as I did this video center now, most Liverpool fans here, we able to they leave. You know they carry quarrel, and Liverpool account people. You understand? So as I support Liverpool from Istanbul match.
Wait. You say Liverpool are camp people. You get one people who no be camp people.
But you know they're like,
No,
you know they're Ogogoro people now. You know they're that's Chelsea now. They be angry. So Liverpool will come normally. Liverpool will come normally. So I just say I identify with team where say they cool-headed. If you see Liverpool fans, they are cool-headed. You know they make trouble. And we get passionate about the game. You know they biased. And we love anybody when they work with us. We love them. No. Normally, now Chelsea all they shout about but don't go. Normally, that's all they care about don't go. But we just they contain people. In our Chelsea club for don't go too. You understand? The love in Liverpool is real. That's why they support them. Let me say we know they bias, and that's the fact of that. So I see true love there. That maybe I want join. I want to identify with these people. And since then, they never fail me. Normally ups and downs there, but since then, that's been real.
All right, now, Oga Samuel, thank you for your time.